guys, me too. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a quick little simple game for your nice little project from scratch. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna click this button right here. Click it, and then you can choose any sprite, but make sure it's like a button like this, or you can just type it up. But it's okay. I'll choose this one. And then we're gonna delete the scratch cat. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. And then it's like a clicker game. So we're gonna move it in the middle. And also we need some shadows from the like let me show you guys. So some like duplicated this. Okay, let's duplicate it. Oh, let's make it smoother. I want to make it like smoother, like when clicking game it's like a. Well, actually, we can use our own spray, so we don't need the spray thing. We're gonna like iron that. Okay, we're gonna use this one because yeah, why not? Nyan cat. Okay, so we're gonna go back and then we're gonna put it upload sprite and nyan cat. And then we can say it right here. But we need to delete the background. I wish there's like an AI to do it, so it's okay. We can do it ourselves. Just this. It's gonna take a long time. Sorry, guys. I decided to do a GIF. No, I'm just kidding. But took me some effort. Sorry, guys. But wait, what up? Okay, guys, I finished. Oh, okay, now I'm finished. Just need this moving. Okay, now I'm finished. So we want to make it a little bit smaller. So go to the size. Not that. 60. And let's put it back on. This time I'm going to do style. And then we're gonna put a clicker. Click it. It's gonna be like on the what it valuable. And then we will wanna oh, I accidentally dropped my mic, so sorry guys. Okay, we're gonna put it make our variable score, and then we're gonna put it around here. Oh, actually, we're gonna show score first. We're gonna make it bigger. I don't think you can make it bigger, but I swear. Wait, hold up. Hold up, guys. I'll show you how to make it bigger after. Oop. Okay, guys. It didn't save. I accidentally clicked the X button, and it didn't save. Okay, but now you gotta do it over again. Okay, it's okay. I think I remember. Yep, I remember. So, do this, that, do that. Then I gotta cut over again. I'm sorry, guys. Oop. Hey, guys, I finished. So what you want to do put it to 60. Oh, not 600. 60. Alright, and then we're gonna put the background, put the blue sky, and then we put the score. Is this set score or change score? I think it says score. First, I need to make a variable score. Oop, gonna click the score. We're gonna put it to 1. Oh, it's changed. Okay. Okay, and then when clicked, oh, just a long one. When clicked, one by one, and then we're gonna like, wait, let's change code right to 1, and then let's try and make the thing bigger. I don't know if we can make the thing bigger, but yeah. Probably we can make our own, but it's going to take like a lot of code. Now, I don't even know. Okay, so just to let you know. So my profile is in the way. So when they like in the game, they click it. Yeah, but it seems kind of boring, which the cat doesn't do nothing. So let's just put it Mia. Okay. Okay. I think it's play sound until done. Yeah. I mean, I like that, but it's just that I don't know. It's like too long, maybe. Okay. Okay. Let's like let's like lower it down because people have the headphones. They will not like that at all. Wait, it's kind of oh, it's kind of like overthinking. So I'm gonna scoot it in a little bit. I can do it after. Okay. Sorry guys about the thing. So yeah, but let's make it softer. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, so after you're gonna put this small loud. That's it. But yeah. Okay. So oh, did I forgot to save it or what? Probably need to delete some maybe. Okay, it's alright, but that's like let's do like some cheering. So it's gonna be like this. It's gonna say like you got you got this. You got this. Alright? And then we're gonna put for infinite. Infinite. Alright, someone. Okay. So we're gonna put the green flag. And yeah. I don't know what this is. Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Hold up, guys. 0.1? I don't know. Wait, hold up, guys. Oh, wait. It's kind of like. Oh, wait, hold up. Let's just say you all got this. It's easy. And then let's make another. Let's duplicate this one. And then let's reverse it. This, oh, like flip. And then just like, yeah, just like this. You got this. And yeah, it's simple. Let's share it. Nyan cat clicking. Clicking. So yeah. Oh, put this thumbnail. Set new thumbnail? Yes. Okay, set thumbnail. What? Okay, you know what? It's okay. Okay, that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you got an awesome day. I'll see you my comments. Peace. Oh, I accident, but bye.